Welcome to Ballynahinch Primary School, a cornerstone of the community since its official opening on 23rd of April 1954. Situated on the slopes of Edenavity Hill, our school occupies a significant site that was once part of the Montalto estate. This area is historically notable as the site of the 1798 Battle of Ballynahinch, with numerous small artefacts reportedly uncovered on the school grounds over the years. We are fortunate to have an abundance of space within our school site, including rolling hills, a forested area and an enclosed garden, complete with pond. Our outdoor education journey began in August 2024 when we identified a valuable opportunity to enhance our learning provision. At the back of our school, an acre of woodland bordering Montalto estate offered immense potential. After consulting with advisors including the Forest Schools and I and the National Trust, we were advised to bring in specialist equipment to clear the area. This step allowed us to explore the best ways to transform this incredible space into a dynamic learning resource.
After clearing the undergrowth and removing any dangerous trees, the school invited volunteers to join us on site in early September. Together we worked to organise the felled and lod trees into a safe and functional terrace structure.
Our efforts resulted in a beautiful, secluded space, hidden from the outside world by a natural enclosure of tall evergreen trees. The next phase in our project would involve a significant financial investment to make the area accessible to our children and staff. This would also include designating a space that could be used for a fire pit and making use of the natural topography of our site to create a viewpoint overlooking the panoramic landscape of Ballynahinch.
Our vision for the project with our PTA, as this has always been a community-driven initiative, with parents and staff dedicating their time to bring the idea to life. We invited our pupils to design the route for the forest trail, incorporating a grove of hazelwood trees planted 20 years ago. Recognising the value of our efforts, the PTA wholeheartedly supported our vision and generously provided funding for the creation of a stone pathway, ensuring a well-defined and accessible trail throughout the forest.
With the pathway in place, our next phase focused on creating a sense of enclosure. We installed fence posts and rope along the entire route, defining the trail through the forest area. This also includes the viewpoint, offering a stunning perspective of the original 1954 school building and the surrounding countryside.
To celebrate the end of the year, every class from nursery to P7 participated in a festive campfire Christmas. Gathered round the fire, pupils toasted marshmallows and sang Christmas songs, a magical and memorable way to close the term.
Over the winter months, several storms caused significant damage along our boundary line, bringing down 8 trees. Rather than removing them entirely, we logged and left them in place to create additional habitats for the diverse wildlife that shares our school grounds. Interestingly, the fallen trees and subsequent logging opened up a new pathway for the children, offering a greater variety of surfaces and terrain to explore, enhancing their outdoor learning experience in an unexpected way.
In January 2025, we invited our nursery children and their parents to join us on a hunt to find the Gruffalo. The event was also open to nursery and P1 children, with several families joining in the fun. As we walked the pathway, everyone wore face paint as the mouse, encountering familiar characters along the way before finally meeting the Gruffalo.
By immersing themselves in nature, we want our children to use this space and their imagination to journey to magical worlds like Narnia, the Shire and the 100-acre wood. Thanks to the generous donations of parents and staff, these wonderlands are quite literally signposted, marked by a beautifully crafted signpost and an iconic C.S. Lewis style lamppost, guiding the way to adventure.
In February, to celebrate our school's 70th anniversary, we invited each family to plant a tree, creating a lasting tribute to their time with us. This initiative was made possible through our partnership with Mourne Heritage and Woodland Trusts, who generously donated a variety of native species for children to plant alongside their parents.
Spending time in the forest has proven to be incredibly beneficial to our nursery children, offering a wealth of developmental, physical and emotional advantages. One of the key benefits of the forest experience is the enhancement of physical development. Outdoor play in a natural setting encourages movement, coordination and balance as children navigate uneven terrain, climb over fallen trees and engage in hands-on activities. Unlike indoor play areas, which often limit movement, the forest provides a spacious, dynamic environment that challenges and strengthens young muscles, improving overall motor skills. Beyond the physical benefits, that the Forest School is rich in environment for cognitive and sensory development. Research shows that exposure to nature enhances problem solving, creativity and critical thinking. The unstructured nature of outdoor play allows children to explore, ask questions and develop curiosity about the world around them. Observing wildlife, feeling different textures and experiencing seasonal change firsthand provides learning opportunities that cannot be replicated indoors. Time in nature also significantly boosts emotional and social well-being. The calming presence of the trees and the fresh air reduces anxiety and promotes positive mental health, even for young children. Outdoor play fosters teamwork, social interaction as children collaborate to build dens, share discoveries and navigate new challenges together. These experiences nurture essential life skills such as cooperation, communication and empathy. Encouraging young children to engage with the outdoors not only supports their development but also instills a lifelong appreciation for nature. Investing in forest-based learning helps shape confident, resilient individuals who carry a deep connection to the natural world throughout their lives.
The forest provides a tranquil setting that helps children manage stress and anxiety. Beyond emotional benefits, Forest School plays a significant role in boosting cognitive development. Its hands-on experimental learning approach encourages critical thinking and problem solving. Activities such as building shelters, identifying plants and navigating the terrain require the practical application of knowledge, enhancing cognitive skills. This type of learning is particularly effective for young children who thrive in environments that spark curiosity and creativity. Another key advantage of forest schools is the development of social skills and teamwork. Many activities require children to work in groups, fostering cooperation, communication and relationship building. Through collaborative tasks, they learn to listen, share ideas and support one another, essential skills for their future interactions in both school and life. The forest also serves as a natural playground that inspires creativity and imagination. Children create stories, build structures and explore their surroundings in ways that stimulate innovative thinking. The open-minded nature of play in the forest allows them to use their imagination freely, leading to richer, more original ideas. Structured forest school lessons offer a holistic approach to education, nurturing children's physical, emotional and cognitive development. The benefits of spending time in nature are far-reaching, from improved emotional resilience and physical health to enhanced problem-solving and social interactions. By fostering creativity, environmental awareness, confidence and resilience, forest school helps children be prepared for a well-rounded and fulfilling future. As we continue to explore innovative educational approaches, the value of outdoor learning remains clear, offering a dynamic, enriching experience that shapes young learners in meaningful ways.
The next phase in our outdoor learning programme focuses on reclaiming and purposefully utilising our wonderful secret garden space, nestled between our nursery, foundation and Key Stage 1 classrooms. This revitalised area will be transformed into a sensory play zone, providing our youngest pupils with an engaging environment where they can explore, play and learn through activity-based lessons.
Thank you for watching this short video about our forest school journey and the incredible impact outdoor education has had on our school in such a short time. We warmly invite you to visit us and see the transformation for yourself. We look forward to welcoming you.